All right, welcome back. Now it's time for your midday sports. Jamaica Defence Force and the Kingston Cricket Club will do battle in the final of the JCA Senior Cup cricket competition, following contrasting results over St Mary and St Catherine's CC respectively over the weekend. Kingston CC got the better of outgoing champions St Catherine's CC on first innings in their semi-final, which ended on Sunday. Kingston, who grabbed the first innings points on Saturday's opening day, battled their way to 207 for 9 against last season's winners when rain brought an end to the day's play. West Indies player Odin Smith made 65 with 3 fours and 3 sixes, while captain Akeem Fraser chipped in with 35. Andre Henry and Javor Royal claimed 3 wickets apiece for St Catherine's CC.
Good team, we're a good team as well. It's good that 2 teams like this have gotten to this stage of the competition. It bodes well for the competition and speaks to the quality of the clubs. It's a good game of cricket, challenging. You have a lot of younger players that have been stepping up for us this season.
JDF had earlier booked a spot in the final after securing a 9-wicket win over St Mary in their 2-day semi-final, which ended on Sunday as well. Set a modest 33 for victory, the Army men comfortably marched into the final at 37 for 1 in their second innings. Andre Dennis made 20 and Andre Fowler 14. St Mary, batting 1 short, had been restricted to 72 for 9 in their second innings. Garnett Smith 3 for 20, Kevin Daly 2 for 2 and Andre Dennis 2 for 19 did the damage for JDF. Milton Mills made 17 and Dwayne Hamilton 14 for St Mary. Now, every Jamaican athlete who makes Jamaica's Olympic team, or every athlete who makes Jamaica's Olympic team, will receive funds from the Ministry of Sports. This according to Sports Minister Olivia Grange. Grange, who was a keynote speaker at the launch of the inaugural Jamaica Athletics Invitational Meet last Thursday, announced that the government has ring-fenced over $50 million for athletes who qualify for the Paris Games this summer.
Still not happy that that is enough. So we will be providing approximately $60 million as incentives for every single member of the contingent that goes to the Olympics. So we're playing our part.
In the meantime, Minister Grange also announced support for the inaugural staging of the Jamaica Athletics Invitational, which will be held at the National Stadium on May 11.
To announce, ladies and gentlemen, that through the Sports Development Foundation, approval has been given for the allocation of $10 million from the Ministry of Sport towards the staging of this meet.
Now, Brazilian Jose Luis Camargo, who spent 6 years in Jamaica and was part of 3 teams that qualified for respective World Cups, has died. Camargo, who was a masseur, arrived in Jamaica in 1996 and worked with the historic journey to the FIFA World Cup in 1998 and was an important backroom staff member of the original coaching staff led by René Simoes. The JFF President Michael Ricketts says the nation's football benefited immensely from Camargo's expertise and dedication. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.